What are they hiding? Oh, where's it gone? Oh, there it is. Beards, what are they hiding? Could I handle the truth if they chose me to confide in? Or would my dead body be found down a railway siding where I've been murdered by a man with a beard? Where I've been murdered by a man with a beard. You can't work out what they're thinking in their face because they got hair growing all over the place. You can't tell what they're up to, maybe it's best not to know. Perhaps they're full of hair up here, they got none down below. They put porno mags in the bushes in the woods. They interfere with kids and make them say thank you afterwards. They hang around in parks, wait till after dark, jump out of the bushes and then fuck you for a lark. Men with beards, what are they concealing? That facial fuzz gives me an uneasy feeling, like they'd hide my dismembered corpse up in the ceiling where I've been butchered by a man with a beard. Where I've been butchered by a man with a beard. Shipman, Bin Laden, still go haystacks. They're all hiding something, and that's an actual fact. Whispering Bob Harris, why was his voice so soft? And he murdered a prostitute up in his loft. Like Peter Sutcliffe, the Yorkshire Ripper, he avoided the use of a razor or clipper. They've all got a secret, could be anything, but they're probably part of a paedophile ring. Men with beards, what are they obscuring? They all seem so confident and so assuring, but to some waste ground you they will be luring, where you'll be bludgeoned by a man with a beard. Where you'll be bludgeoned by a man with a beard. Watch out for men with beards. Thank you.